Hi, Nini. Happy birthday. How old are you, ate?
I'm 11.
Oh.
It's okay.
Zoe. Hi, say hi to my vlog, Zoe. Hi to my vlog. Cash, say hi to my vlog. Happy birthday. Minimum birthday to come. And then, oh, you have a lot of envelopes. Oh, there's a Roblox.
Happy birthday! Happy time! Blah, 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 blah.
Subscribe na. Hello, hi guys, hi vlog. Welcome to my vlog again. Today is Sunday and nandito kami ngayon sa birthday ng pamangkin ko si Sam. It's 11 years old. So nandito kami ngayon sa subdivision din nila, subdivision para Pilipinas. Pero yeah, nandito kami. So ayun, ang asawa ko na sa baba. So nandun yung party sa taas. Okay. Alright, see you again. Ayan. Ito yung place kung saan yung birthday. Hi, Chong! Say hi to my vlog, Chong!
You're not the person. You're not who.
Ha? What?
You're not Mama Ella.
No, I'm not Mama Ella. Hi, Chong. This is Enzo, my nephew.
Are they gonna hear it?
Yes. Hi, Grimes. Hi, TJ. Hi, guys. Hi. Akit kami sa taas. Hey, where's ate? Hi, Nini. Happy birthday. How old are you, ate?
I'm 11.
Oh my God, you're 11. Kiss Tito Alan. Hug Tito Alan. Hug. Hug.
Got some food,
Come on, let's eat. Come on, let's take picture. Yan. Ay, masarap to, Labs. Ito. Ating pizza. Tapos,
I'll translate.
ayun, pansit na wala. Ay, nakalimutan yung pansit. Ay, ikaw. For mama. Ang pizza.
Hey guys.
Ang ganda ng place.
You're famous now.
You're famous now. You're famous. This is the mom, the pretty mommy. The pretty mommy. Where's Liam, Pot? Where's Liam?
Can I record it?
Liam! Cash! Hi! Hi, Kashi! Yeah, just
Hey guys, you're famous now. No. No.
Oh, so famous.
Yeah, you're so famous.
Yeah, I have like 400,000 TikTok followers.
What?
Why did you do that?
Because it's facing me now.
Bro, I sound like a grandma.
come on, let's eat. Ang ganda ng view dito. Dito kami sa taas. Mga pamangkin. Look at them. Gated. Let's do the vlog.
Show it. It's okay.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Sam.
No. Marcela.
No, I'm saying happy birthday, Samantha.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Samantha.
Happy birthday, Samantha! Today is your birthday!
Okay. What can you say about your guest?
Happy birthday, Samantha!
Now, what can you say about your guest? What
birthday.
can you say to your guest? To your guest.
Happy birthday, Samantha.
Happy birthday, guest!
No! Say thank you!
Thank you!
Happy birthday.
Say that thank you for coming, guys.
Thank you for coming!
Sam, happy birthday. Many more birthday to come.
Happy birthday,
Okay.
Santa, happy birthday. What's your wish? My wish is you grow up. Ah, that's her. smart and be kind still and sweet girl.
Okay.
Happy birthdays, Ate Sam. There are many birthdays to come and love you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Blah, 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 blah.
Pula si Dito kung huwi man. Enzo, what can you greet happy birthday to your cousin?
When I was 5 years old, I saw him there.
No, say happy birthday first.
I looked by and I saw
No,
him.
you need to greet it. Enzo, come on.
When I first met them,
Enzo.
I was scared of him. Nothing personal.
Ayan ang mga nephews ko at saka yung isa kong pamangkin din si Zoe. Hi, say hi to my vlog, Zoe. Hi to my vlog. Cash, say hi to my vlog. They're playing. Kashi, what are you doing? No? Papa is walking? Papa can walk?
Yeah.
How about you, Cash? Papa can walk? Nano man. Bye, Audrey. Thank you for coming. Bye, Bess. Thank you for coming. Bye. Bye, Audrey. Thank you for coming. Bye, guys. Next. Naman. Ay, ang galing! Ang galing! Next! Yabang! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog. Say cheese. Cheese. Yeah, like this. Okay. Aloha. Happy birthday, After Sam!
Happy birthday, Sam!
Happy birthday, ate! Hey! What's it? Ate, say happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. Say cheeky, peace sign. You like this. Aloha. Where's your mom? Where's your daddy? Okay, let's go. Nagpapack up na kami. Nagliligpitan na kami. Nahawakan kami.
Do you like
Wow!
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Big oil.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't even know what you said.
Wow!
Nintendo.
What Nintendo?
I found it some. Here, just now. Just now.
Oh.
Kamu na, ano na yung arrange naman?
Wow.
Okay.
The Polaroid too is part of the gift. Mommy and Daddy's gift. Polaroid? Yeah, your
Your
camera.
camera.
Oh, it's not normal.
You're not normal, Kashi.
We love dinosaurs! She gave me the Disneyland ticket with a free all pass.
Wow! Wow!
Cha-cha!
Wow!
And also has the Mattel gift.
I
Wow!
made up ng gift to.
So what's your gift, ate?
Made up ng name. She said
The bag? Yes. And what else? Your mom's gift? It's a camera.
She gave me a camera inside.
Oh, and then, oh, you have a lot of envelopes. Oh, there's a Roblox too. Wow. And the
Did you guys drink that?
And there's one side.
Audrey. Thank you, Audrey.
I think
Wow! Put it everything in your bag.
Yeah.
No. Put it in your bag, everything. Your money and that Amazon, Roblox. Wow. Where it came from?
I think it's Zoe. It's Zoe.
Oh my God, Zoe!
No, my
Ah.
Zoe.
Who's that came from? Your friends? Oh, gift for Target. Okay. And whose gift is that? The pink one. Who gave you the pink one?
Maria.
This one?
Yes.
Oh.
Wait, this one?
Uh-huh.
Kayla.
And then your mom, what is your mom's gift to you? Can I see it? Can you open it?
Who's watching, Sarah?
I told you.
And where's Zoe and Leah?
Wow. It's okay, Del. Here's Cash. Is watching Mickey Mouse and eating, and I am here chilling ka dyan. Chill, and this is us. That's everyone. Ayan, dito kami. Ito yung first ni Judel. Tinan mo, wala siyang milk. Nagpunta siya sa store, walang milk. Bumili lang siya ng alcohol. Walang milk. I-vlog natin si TJ. Naglilinis siya eh. Sandali. Hi, Tej! Naglilinis si TJ. Ha? Kasi, masakit. Di ba nabunutan siya ng ipin? Tapos nag...
You go Frontierland. You go. Yeah, that's what the next time I'm gonna do. I will go to the Frontierland. Yeah. Indiana Jones na Adventureland. I don't know, this is a kid. Where do we go? We don't have a baby.
Were you doing that for me? To the
Can you eat? Can you say hi to my vlog? Hi!
Me and Cash turn, you go hide, okay? Let's go.
Hi!
Cash, no. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Sino may mamanago to delay?
14,
Sino may mamanago to delay?
16, 17, 18.
Last night. Oh, ano, tabo ka naman. Nagbaliskan. Kasi ay tampawan.
Maaga pa yung Halloween dito. Halloween. Picture Halloween. Oh my gosh. Wow.